The day is here and the OnePlus 7T is finally available for public consumption, and I went straight to the T-Mobile store at 9 a.m. to grab mine. The OnePlus 7 Pro was my favorite device of 2019, and I couldn't wait for the OnePlus 7T to come, even though I'm kind of upset that the 7T Pro, yes, these names are weird, it will not be available in the US, but the 7T is here. Oh, how have I missed that 90 hertz display? I've been using the Note 10 Plus for the last, month and a half, 2 months. And yes, to this day, I can still tell that I'm missing that 90 hertz display. So, not gonna talk too long. Just get to this unboxing. Perfect. All right, let's take a quick look around the box. This is the front, the side, nothing here. Other side, got the OnePlus 7T on top, a bunch of junk at the bottom. Let's see what we have. So this is the 4G LTE version. It's not 5G. We don't even need 5G right now. Just not ready yet. This comes with the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, and the 7 Pro had just a regular 855. So it's good that they dropped the Plus processor with this one. 6.55 Full HD display. It's not QHD. It's another thing the 7 Pro has over this one, but we're gonna check out the screen to see does that really make a difference. Still has the same 3-camera setup. This one includes a 3800 milliamp battery, the Warp Charge 30T. So this is supposed to be about 20% faster than the regular Warp Charge 30 that's included in the OnePlus 7 Pro. Should get you about 0 to 70 in 30 minutes. Still had a USF 3.0, 128 gigs of storage. This one has 8 gigs of RAM. The 7 Pro had 12 gigs of RAM. But the biggest addition I like here, and a lot of companies are lacking at this point, which OnePlus is excelling at, is having the latest version of Android. Out the box, this comes with Android 10. Now, this is the first phone to have Android 10 on the market, beating out the Pixel devices. So you gotta give OnePlus like a hand clap, for that. Like Android 10 out the box, and you know that this will be updated to the latest version of Android whenever the Android 11 comes out, Android 12 comes out. OnePlus will have it out very soon. Not like Samsung, which you might not see the new version of Android to their next year, or we ain't even gonna get into all that. But yeah, let's go ahead and crack this thing open. Got my knife, just bust these 2 little slits right here. Oh, wasn't that easy. Bust that little slit. All right, bust it open. All right, I know you want to get out. Just pull it out. Oh, I wouldn't know how to mess some early. All right, so this is the 7T. Let's just take it out. I've been using the Note for quite some time now, so this feels quite a little small. Let me check out the Note real quick. So compared to the Note, it's not that much smaller, but it does feel it's a little lighter. And I got the Glacier Blue. Let me take this sticker off. All right, get this out of the way. Drop it right here on that. But so, damn, this camera hump sticks out quite a bit. But you see the 3-camera setup, the OnePlus emblem. But let's just put this down to the side. Let me wipe out the screen a little bit. I already got fingerprints on there. Let's drop this over here real quick, and let's see what else is in the box. So now we got, I think this is all the paperwork. Just take this out. Anything else in here? Nah. Whew. Oh, SIM card. No, it's T-Mobile version, so I got the SIM card. Some books, starter's guide. Who reads this? No one. Let's keep it moving. The stickers, I do like some stickers. I might drop these somewhere, but I like that the stickers are included. Some more books, not gonna read those. All right, let's see what else is in the box. And if you don't have already realized, this is a long box. I don't think I ever had a box that was this long. Like, the box is just long. All right, another thing that I love about OnePlus, they include a flipping case. Like a case. Like, every manufacturer should include a case. Because normally I have to go buy a case ahead of time just to make sure I got a case when I get the phone. But I don't have to worry about that with OnePlus. It's gonna have a case. And I love clear cases. That's all I use is clear cases. So I'm glad that they have this with it. What is this? Oh, the SIM ejection tool. Gonna need that because we are switching out phones. This will become my daily driver instead of that Note 10 Plus. We have the signature red, orange, whatever you want to call it. It might be red, it might be orange, depends on who looking at it. And it's still using USB to USB-C charging cable. I would like for them to actually go to USB-C on both sides, because USB 2.0 is just pretty dead. Almost dead. I won't say it's dead, but it's getting there. Now here go that big boy charger. OnePlus it's the fastest charging phone out right now, and this just made it even faster. This is the Warp Charge 30T. When I said kind of early in the video that this should give you 0 to 70 in 30 minutes, and I'm definitely gonna test it out. But the 7 Pro charged stupid fast. Like it charged so fast, and then it's telling me that this is gonna charge even faster. I'm looking forward to that. I do miss that fast charging. But it looks like that is all that's in the box. All right, so let me just take a second and move all of this stuff out the way. All right, let's power this thing up to see if it got some juice. Okay, let's go. Here we go. All right, it's starting up. So while that's starting, let's take a look around. So right here we got the silent switch, silent vibrate ring switch. I really like this. The power button, the volume rocker. Up top we don't have anything. On the bottom, USB 3.0, USB-C port for the charging. SIM tray. Got one speaker on the bottom. I believe this has dual speakers. If you can kind of see, it does have that speaker grill at the top. So I think this does have dual speakers. On the back, you see that 3-camera setup. This hump is pretty big. But I think once I put the case on it, it shouldn't bother me that much. But it's actually a pretty big hump. But that's about it on the outside around the device. So let me go ahead, put my information in, and be right back. All right, during the setup process, it's asking, do I want the navigation gestures or the recent home back? I prefer the navigation gestures. It gives me more screen real estate. The buttons at the bottom just takes up too much of your screen. Like you see the blue bar, like it just takes up way too much of my screen. So I like to go with just the navigation gestures. And this should have Android 10 new navigation gestures, so we're gonna try those out. And OnePlus should have their own little implementation of that. But these are the new gestures for, I believe these are the Android 10 version of the gestures. I'm not sure how much OnePlus changed it around, but should be the new way to go back, go home, and go to recent. Okay, so it's giving me a little quick demo of how I do that. All right. And go recent, go up and hold. Okay. It's a cool little walkthrough of how to set it up in case someone has never done it before. All right, so it looks like we got it set up. Let me turn the brightness up because this is looking pretty dark. So that was one thing about the 7 Pro, is that it had that 90 Hz screen, but the brightness was pretty bad. It was kind of hard to see outside. This should have 1,000 nits, so it should just do just fine. But once I get outside with it and test it out, we'll see how the screen does. But right now it looks pretty bright. So you already know the first thing I gotta do is just change this to night mode. Boom. No, that's not the right one I'm looking for. I might have to go inside of themes, display. So right now you see we got that 90 hertz refresh rate. And if you haven't used that before, trust me, it's a game changer. It changes the whole entire experience of Android. Everything is just flies. Okay, so I found where the settings was. It's in customizations, and then right here you can see the preset themes. You hit the preset theme, and then right here you got the nuance dark. So this is a little different from how it was done with the 7 Pro. So once I go ahead and apply that theme, and everything is blacked out now, and that's how I like it. Boom, full black theme. But moving around, everything's nice and snappy. Let me try the camera out real quick. All right, so one of the new features of the camera mode inside of the OnePlus 7T is got like this the macro. So it's like the macro photography, which you can hit that button up top. So now you can get like super close to something and then like take a picture of it. So let's see if I get really close. So right now I can get really close and it focuses in, and then I can just take a picture. So picture look good actually so far. And these new gestures gonna take a little second to get used to, but let me take a quick little selfie real quick to see what that looks like. Okay. That came out pretty good. Like OnePlus cameras, they're not like the best camera in the world, but they do a good job, especially at like $599. This phone is $600, and you can see it has all the top specs. The only thing it's cutting short on right now is that full HD display. It doesn't have QHD, but right now, I mean, let's go ahead and let's play a video real quick and see how the speakers sound and how the display looks with a video. If I know how to get to YouTube, I'm just gonna play one of my videos real quick to see the audio quality and see what it looks like. Oh. Leaning forward, and you try to put it's real loud. If you put it back and it goes all the way back and it's still leaning forward, what you need to do is so it only has a 1080p plate and move it up to the all right, so it does have dual speakers and it's really loud. All right, I'm going ahead and stop this. Oh, all right, come on. All right, stop this. But let me get all my apps installed, play around it with it for a few hours, and come back and finish this video. Okay, I got all my apps installed. I set up the phone exactly how I like it. And for my first impressions, like the new gestures gonna take a little time to get used to, but so far I like them. I'm feeling this like matte, glossy. The color is right too, but this damn camera hump pretty sharp. I felt like it was just gonna cut me a few times like while I was using it. But I mean, once I put the case on it, it's not that noticeable anymore, and it feels better. It doesn't feel like I'm about to get cut using the phone. Fingerprint scanner is just as fast as the 7 Pro. I mean, but so far everything's good. I'm liking it. If you want to know, the full review is going to come soon. Anything you want to know about the phone, just let me know. That's all I got. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This was Joe, and this was another Tech Talk, and I'm out.